How to turn on captions in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now, enter the pin or solve the puzzle. So here I'm doing it. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called Subtitles and Closed Caption. Tap on this option. So this is the place where you can enable this feature. Here tap on Show Captions. After you do this, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Now after you watch any video, there will be some captions available. Later you can even customize it according to your own will. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.